ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ. ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅವರೇ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಆಯಿತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಗೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉರಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಸೊ ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
वो कम करने हो गई थी वहाँ पे, लेकिन आपने उसको क्या दिया तोहफे में? उसकी बलात्कार किया आप लोगों ने उसको मार डाला, इस देश की एक बेटी को मार डाला. अगर असल में हम देखें तो हमारी देश अपनी बेटियों को फेल कर चुकी है. आप लोग आपके डॉक्टर्स को फेल कर चुके हैं. इससे किसको नुकसान होगी? कल आप ही को नुकसान होगी. जब आप लोगों को सचमुच में एक इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में एक डॉक्टर की सख्त जरूरत पड़े तो कोई डॉक्टर आगे नहीं आएगा. वो क्यों रिस्क ले? वो क्यों चाहे? कोई माँ बाप क्यों चाहे कि उनकी डॉक्टर बेटी की बलात्कार हो, जिसको बुरी तरह से मार दिया जाए? कोई नहीं चाहता है. अगर आज दिस कंट्री हैज टू सेट एन एग्जाम्पल, हम आज एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एग्जाम्पल नहीं सेट करेंगे तो ऐसे जो हैवान है बाहर सोसाइटी में, वो अपनी यह हैवानियत को बहुत चरम सीमा पे लेके जाएंगे. नाउ थिंग्स मस्ट चेंज. ऐसे लोग डॉक्टर के ऊपर बलात्कार नहीं, अगर अस्पताल में कोई तोड़ फोड़ भी करना हो या डॉक्टर के साथ कोई मारपीट भी करना हो तो वो 100 बार सोचेगा. पहले इनको फांसी पे चढ़ाओ और वो हर कोई जो डॉक्टर को पीट रहा है उनको सख्त से सख्त सजा दो, तब बदलाव आएगी. We want justice! We want justice!
ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೋರಾಟ? ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೋರಾಟ? ಮೈಕಲ್
We want justice! 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 We want justice!
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದೆ. of India, Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, 10004, through the Deputy Commissioner of Kalburgi, Karnataka. Subject: request for the thorough investigations and strengthening the hospital protection measures. Respected Madam, we, the member of the IMA Medical Association, Kalburgi, and also the medical fraternity of the Kalburgi and Students Union, deeply concerned regarding the recent tragic incident at Kolkata RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. The heinous crime committed against the woman doctor has shaken the medical fraternity and the nation as a whole. We respectfully urge a thorough and transparent investigations into this incident to ensure that the justice is swiftly served. The reluctance to the knowledge and address the escalating violence against the doctors and the hospital at the policy level has exacerbated and vulnerability of the healthcare professionals across the country. It is imperative that this issue is no longer ignored. We propose that the Central Act incorporating the amendment of 2023 in the Epidemic Disease Act of 1897 be integrated into the draft Hospital Protection Bill of 2019. This would significantly strengthen the existing 25 states legislation, offering a robust legal framework to safeguard the health work providers. We believe that an ordinance similar to the one enacted during the COVID-19 pandemic is urgently needed. The act should be non-bailable, cognizable, non-compoundable, and punishment should be life imprisonment and capital punishment, that is hanged till death.
Yes.
Hanged till death.
Adequate compensation 3 times the property damaged, and judicial verdict in such cases should be a fast-tracked and pronounced within the 3 months. Moreover, we request the security protocols in the hospitals be elevated to the standards of airport security, declaring hospital as the safe zone with mandatory security and entitlements would be the first step in ensuring the safety of both the healthcare providers and the patients. This would include the installation of CCTV cameras, the deployment of the adequate security personnel, and the establishment of rigorous security protocols. We believe these measures are crucial to restore the confidence of healthcare professionals in their safety and the integrity of their workplace. We earnestly request your esteemed office to take the necessary steps to implement these recommendations at the earliest. Thank you for your attention to this grave matter. Yours sincerely, Karnataka IMA and also Kalaburgi IMA and Medical Fraternity of Gulbarga. I have signed beyond all our medical fraternity, Dr. Kiran Deshmukh. He is Vice President of Karnataka State IMA Board, and myself, Dr. Gurlingappa Patil, Lav Kumar Loya, the Secretary, and Sohel, the Executive Member. And on all behalf of all the associations, I thank one and all for making. And we'll give the memorandum.
Heinous barbaric crime committed at the Calcutta Medical College Hospital. The culprit should be punished. They should be hanged to death, and people who are protecting them, plus who are trying to destroy the evidence, also should be punished. Nobody should go scot-free. The government of India plus the government of West Bengal should take strict action against the rapist, and it is very surprising that being a woman chief minister, she is trying to destroy the evidence. So that shouldn't happen. The media should play a major role. So whatever we are speaking from here or anywhere, any part of the India, that should reach the corridors of the law, and strict action should be taken against the rapist. Thank you.
Solidarity with Momita, who has been brutally and hideously murdered, as you all know. So this march today is to show that we are with her, and justice has to be done at the earliest. Justice, as you all know, justice denied is justice. Justice delayed is justice denied. So we worship Devis. Today I feel that we don't need your worships or we don't need your rituals. We need respect. The women of India need respect. And the place wherein life is won, we swear in hospitals that we save the lives. In the same place, the same savior has been heinously killed and brutally murdered and raped. So just imagine how safe other places are in India. So I earnestly request the government or the various establishments at least make some constitutional amendments.
The action of police, the action needs to be taken, and the criminals, whoever have committed this crime, have to be hanged till death, and a strong central law to protect the healthcare professionals, and also see that this real slogan of what you are telling, Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao, is really, it is made possible in this country by enacting a strong law against such crimes.
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ವೈದ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ವೈದ್ಯ ಇಂದು ಏನು ಯಾವ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಡೀತು. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಲಬುರಗಿ IMA ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಮಗು, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರ ಎಲ್ಲರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗುವಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೋರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಜಯ ಸಿಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಈ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್?
ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಗುತ್ತೇದಾರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಗುತ್ತೇದಾರ್.